Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the quotation description in Odoo 19 website. So let's move on to the website module. From here, you can just move on to the e-commerce and find the product. So select the product from here and choose any of the product from here. So as you just choose the product, you know that you will be diving into the form view of the product. Let's consider the product conference chair over here. So once it's been selected over here, now we can find a tab called Sales. As you just drag down here, you can find an option called Quotation Description. So this note will be added to the sale orders and invoices. Now let me provide a note over here. Now let's provide the quotation over here. Okay, so once it's been given, you can save the changes that you have made. So let me save the changes that I have made over here. And let's move on to the website. As you just move on to the website here, you can find the item conference there over here. And now let me add the item to the cart. So as I just add the item to the cart here, you can find the quotation description, which is high quality conference chair suitable for long duration meetings. And let me add the item. So let's move on to proceed checkout. So once it's been added, you can find that it's in the sale order. Now let's pay this with the demo, which means we are just going to check out the process. So either you can just go with a pay with a demo, or you can just go with checkout process. And afterwards, we can just confirm the order. So I'll be choosing this and save my payment details. And let's click on Pay Now. And you can see that we have just ordered the item. And if you want to print the invoice, you can print the invoice over here. And in the invoice also, you can find that the quotation description over here. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.